I would adopt, to be brief, all the declarations of Director Jimmy. But we cannot go on celebrating unless we remember, even for a moment, that someone designed this because he believed in that health is wealth. When this was established in 1963 by the late Mayor Pinying Burma, this area was donated by the family, by actually the late Chamami, Carmen Rua Villarin. The daughter is still around. She was present last Christmas. Anita Villarin Caraga. It was their dream then to fulfill what Director Bernardas has specified. Yes, it was continued by Mayor Serena, Jake Serena, who himself has been vice mayor before the war and continued to be practicing physician. And it was continued and supported by the members of the council then. Dr. Raipon, Dr. Sabal, Dr. Palacio, all of them. And the other laymen in the council. I caught up with this only in 1967, before many of you were born. And so, 1996, I was back in the council when this was started. 1996, or 14 years ago. It was supposed to have been finished in 2 years. So when Dong Koy came in 1998 and I went to Congress, this was supposed to be finished already 2 years. But it was not. A politician out of his